Here we are in the little town of Carvoeiro. I've probably pronounced that incorrectly. Small town. Nice stuff, quite characteristic. But you can pronounce that how you like. There it's spelt. Carvoeiro. I probably pronounced it wrong, never mind. Nice little guest house up there. Oh, Castello guest house. Looks like a castle. As you can see, it's another lovely day in Carvoeiro. Lovely little beach, Carvoeiro. There's boaty or boat or whatever they call it there, a little bar. We've had a coffee in there a few times. Nice cosy up. They've got a little nightclub in the back of it. And there's a one-way system around the town. You come down one way and go up the other, which is quite good. Christmas decks they're just putting up by the look of it. If you walk up this hill here, past the National Guard or Republican Guard or whatever they call themselves, that takes you up to a boardwalk. There's a church up the top of the hill. Up the top of there's a church, and there's a boardwalk that takes you all the way over to a lovely little hotel with a swimming pool and a restaurant there attached to it. Very nice. You have to look at one of our other videos to see that. We've done that a couple of years ago. It was too windy to fly the drone, so we had to walk it. So you can see our other video about that one. The Carvoeiro Boardwalk, I think we called it, something like that anyway. There you are, lovely little place. The sea's calmed down a bit from the other day, quite rough the other day.